All right, we are at Okavango Delta in Africa, one of the most incredible places you'll ever see. This place isn't just a river or a forest, it's alive, full of life. As the sun rises, the whole area glows, and you can just feel the magic of Africa waking up. Look at these guys, elephants having the time of their lives. They are splashing around like kids in a pool, and the way they look after their little ones, it's just so pure. Honestly, it's like watching a big happy family. And then there are the hippos. These guys look lazy, right? Just floating around and yawning. But trust me, they own these waters. Seeing them this close, it's like being in a wildlife movie. And it's not just about the water, the land is buzzing too.
Oh, this one has got a serious wound.
Which one? The one in...
This one here, close to us.
Oh yeah, on the top, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
And it's, I think it's fresh as well. It looks red. The skin.
Yeah, it looks new.
Yeah.
And those birds, sometimes we are saying that they are healthy, but at the same time, it can even open the scars and delay it to heal, because it will be eating the skin, the dry skin. Then the scar can be healed.
So it takes time to heal then.
It takes time to heal. Look at that hippo.
That one's proper standing.
And that one has got scars as well.
Ostrich pictures the other day.
Definitely.
Now the sunset here, oh man, they are next level. The sky lights up with crazy colors, reds, oranges, purples, and you've got zebras in the distance. It's like the delta's putting on its own show just for you. You've got zebras peacefully grazing and tigers strolling through the trees. Every moment here feels like something straight out of a postcard.
They're joining the herd, I guess.
Fairly young one coming at the back here. Oh yes.
Keep up with money.
little small one in there.
Like nearly 20 to 30 odd around here. Or more,
Yeah, more than 30, yeah?
definitely.
That's a big difference.
They're all females with the babies.
Yeah, they're all females.
The elephants here teach you a lot. They stick together, protect their little ones, and just move through life with so much grace. Honestly, it's humbling to watch. Flying over the Okavango Delta is just breathtaking. You see endless water, forests, and animals. It's like the whole world slows down for a second, and you're reminded how beautiful nature can be. Flying over the delta was an amazing experience.
Yes, they've got very short mating season, which is a month. Then they've got 7.5 months gestation period. And normally they are 7.5 months. Yes, they've got very short mating season, which is a month. Then they've got 7.5 months gestation period. And normally they are dropping time. So it's about November or December. You see the adult male.
There's another male.
No, this is an adult, this is a juvenile. You see the horns that are not yet twisted.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
He's not pleased, is he?
yeah. You see?
Why is he doing that? Is he asking them to move or he's not happy?
No, he's happy. He's just checking his females. If it happens that one of the female ran to this direction, he will chase that female so that he can group them at once. Because he's afraid that other males they can take her.
Okay.
So he's waiting for all these female to walk on that pathway. Is going to lead them all the way to the water. Yeah, let's go. Why are you still standing behind?
Running away.
There's another baby over there.
Look at that.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're just holding each other nearby.
Let's try to minimize the noise.
You're making bread. You've just put some sugar, yeast, and warm water.
Sugar, yeast, warm water, and a bit of salt.
And lots of Mellows laugh. Why isn't Mellow laughing?
Oh,
See, they're all laughing. You've forgotten that.
yes, I've forgotten that. You know, I
God.
always laugh, no smile.
No smiling, just laugh.
The former boss said, "Man, will never get love without a smile." Then I'm trying, but only laughing.
So you go directly to the laugh, waste of smiling. Yeah?
Yes,
Waste of time.
yes. Oh.
I'm finishing my tea.
That one is coming into a blender. Hold on. Maybe they will panic a bit.
They're all fighting for views. He's going on the bush again.
And then this is how you end your day, floating through the delta's calm waterways. The sound of water, birds chirping, and the world just feels at peace. It's a perfect goodbye to a place like this. The Okavango Delta isn't just a place, it's an experience. It stays with you forever. The animals, the water, the sunsets, all of it. If you ever get the chance, don't miss it. It's an adventure you'll never forget. Thanks for joining on this journey. Check out the YouTube shorts for more unseen adventures in Africa. There's so much more to explore. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you want to explore next. And see you soon.